The qualification for international trap shooting for women is 75 targets are shot during the match. Basically, the top 6 competitors that qualify out of the match will then go into a final and shoot another 25 targets. That's added on to their score from their 75 target match, and basically the winner is determined out of that. International trap is shot out of a 60-foot long in-ground bunker, so it's level with the ground. Inside of that, there's 15 trap machines and 5 shooting stations, 1 waiting station. Basically, for each station, there are 3 machines that are assigned to each station. On each station, you're going to get 2 lefts, 2 rights, and a straightaway. So throughout the course of the round, all the competitors will shoot the same amount and same angle of targets. The angle of targets vary from 45 degrees left to right, and they also vary in height from about 3 feet off the ground to 15 feet. So you can get anything within that spectrum, and again, the course of fire is 25 targets per round. If there's a tie at the end of the final, basically then it goes into a sudden death shoot-off. You will line up with the other competitors. They will show you the angle of target that you're going to get, and basically you will shoot one after another until someone misses. So, it can go 1 target or it can go 50 targets, just depending on, how many competitors there are and how long the shoot-off goes.